What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So before we get this started, little US30 breakdown video, I just want to say thank you to all of those that pulled up to the summit. For those that came up and showed love and support, I definitely appreciate it. And yeah, guys, so I just wanted to show you guys right now we are currently at 2.5k subscribers. So I do want to hit at least like 20k before the year is over. So please subscribe, like the videos, leave a comment, share it with a friend, whatever the case may be. But if you guys learn something from these videos, please give me some sort of feedback. But yeah, so let's get this breakdown started. So US30, right? Start with US30 first. This is my personal chart, so that's why it's already like outlined, but I'm kind of going to break down to you guys what I'm seeing on US30 for the week, right? So it's currently, show you guys, oops, delete these messages out the way. It's currently June 11th, 7 p.m. as you guys see, basically. So yeah, so this is for the week of, following week starting tomorrow. So looking at US30, right? Let's go on a higher time frame. All right, we were downtrending majorly here, right? But then as of last week, we broke out of that downtrend, breaking this pivotal high over here. Well, it first started down here. We first started breaking structure here. But, you can't go based on that because still overall, until price didn't come above here, we were still, in this downtrend formation, basically, you could say. We broke this pivotal point right here, which is a high around 33,655. So broke that resistance right there. Price then created a new higher low, as you guys see over here. Then price started pushing back up. Now we're breaking above all of these highs over here. So around this, what area is this? 33,850, so 800s area. Broke above it. Currently right now, we are above that area. And looking at this 4-hour time frame, we're looking super clean. You know what I mean? To keep going, since we already did the retracement, we could keep going easily. And as I see here, we did a retracement on the smaller time frame, which I will go down on the smaller time frame so you guys see. We broke above this resistance that we have from all of these areas to the left here. Price looks very beautiful to keep going to 34,005 area. And then ultimately, if that's broken easily, our major resistance zone is 34,200 as of right now, right? So looking at this 30-minute time frame, which is the one that I was on when I first started this video, right? So perfect retracement here. This is when we broke that trend line that you guys saw in the 4-hour time frame. Price then kept pushing up and creating higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, now higher highs because we broke these highs over here, and now we retrace, create a new higher low, right? So as a confluence, I don't really like to just, determine where price is going to go based on a fib, but I do like to use Fibonacci sometimes just to see, okay, the retracement, pardon me guys, that retracement is completed, where could price be headed next, right? So retracement here, as you can see, was completed. Price pushed up, broke this high over here, then price retraced again, and now it's currently pushing back up. So just as a additional like pat on the shoulder, like a little confirmation, we're gonna throw a little fib on this, right? So this is the you got to know where to put the fib. So if you guys see, I'm not just putting them anywhere, I'm putting them where we created this higher low, then we pushed up, created a new higher high. So this is a this is a key area. This is how you really use Fibonacci. You don't just put them in the middle of nowhere, let's say like over here. Like where were you going to put that? Like point of Fibonacci is to see the retracement. That's why it's called Fibonacci retracement. So you want to see price reject either the 618, 786 areas, any of these two. I don't really like when it only rejects the 50%. I'm not really that strong on them. I really do like it when price respects the 618 or the 786. I'm perfectly comfortable with taking those setups. So I'm already bullish as it is as on US30 based on just simple structure. Now I add this as another confluence, and as I'm seeing, price perfectly came down here, almost tested that 786 area, but definitely rejected that 618 area, and price is pushing back up. So definitely could see price again aiming towards that resistance that I have marked up on that 4-hour time frame, that 34,005 area. You know what I mean? So definitely what I want to see on US30 tomorrow morning is for price to be respecting this support around 33,800. Once this support is fully respected and market opens at 9:30 in the morning, I will be looking for buys on US30, especially if we're respecting this support right here. So not really on the bearish side on US30 because we were so bearish before and we finally broke out of that downtrend. So definitely could see a lot of more buying opportunities on US30 than selling opportunities, right? So that's my outlook on US30. Let's see Nas real quick just before. Let's throw it in there. A little bonus for you guys. Let's look at Nas. What we got going on? Okay, so definitely I have set up the price. Okay, so let me look at higher time frame, see where I got that from. Okay, all right, perfect. Yeah, so wow, I did not even know I had this marked up. Nice. Okay, cool. So looking at Nas, very bullish 4-hour time frame, right? So let me look at the daily just to have an even better understanding. Okay, daily looks good for bullish push. Okay, great. All right, so 4-hour time frame. Another pair that I see very bullish actually. So price perfectly rejected this support area around here. Let's make that more accurate. That's around 14,239, so 14,240 you could say. Price created a perfect support around that area, pushed back up above this resistance of 14,430 you could say, then retested it, and now it's pushing back up. So definitely what I want to see on price is definitely break above this resistance around 14,600. Once that's fully broken and that's like our new support level, definitely could see 14,750 get hit, then ultimately 14,900. And where am I getting these zones from? So if I look left, right? If I look left, let's go left on this. Actually, let's go on the daily. Make our scroll easier, right? All right, so if you look in this daily, right, where did I get these zones from? So that 14,600 resistance that I currently have here, which is the one that I want to see price break during New York in order for me to take these buys, I got it due to the fact that resistance, we used it as support, you know what I mean? So definitely an area of importance. Then that next area that I have marked up of 14,750, which is my next target zone once that 600 gets fully broken. Reason why I got that area is due to here. So as you guys see here, we have like a little doji type candle, you know what I mean, which if I extend the same attack line left, you guys see that we used it as a support over here. So definitely an area to keep in mind. I like to go area by area, especially with indices. You don't need such giant pushes. Literally with 100 points, 80 points, you could definitely make a few thousands of dollars with indices. It's not like trading regular forex pairs such as GBP, JPY. You know what I mean? Like there, you do need a big move, or you need a very big lot size. Bro, with indices, you throw a standard lot, you catch 100 points, you're literally making 10 G's. You know what I mean? So definitely you don't need such crazy big moves on indices to make crazy money. So that's why I like to target all my zones, whether they might look like, oh, that's too short, bro. From here to here, you're talking about 150 points. You know what I mean? Like you throw just a standard, you're talking about $15,000. You know what I mean? So definitely great moves on the market. But yeah, definitely bullish on Nas as of right now. But I do want to see price break that 600s area, because as you guys see, we have rejected, as you guys see these wicks here on this daily time frame, we have rejected that zone 3 times already here. So, I do want to see price fully break above it, and then I'll be fully sold on the buys, towards next areas of resistances like I mentioned. So I hope this video was very easy to understand. I hope you guys like it. If you guys learned something from it, please comment below, like, share, subscribe. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, man.